Reloading of the 223 round. Once fired casing been tumbled, brass is all clean. Go to our lubricating board, which has had a lubricating liquid put on the board. Just lubricate our shell. Shell's lubricated. Once lubricated, off to our press with a depriming die on the top. Popped it out. Shell is now empty. Once our shell is empty, we'll move over to our workstation. We'll start buffering where the old primer was seated inside. There's normally a build up of residue from the old primer, which leaves a black residue or mark inside. So we'll just clean it out, getting ready for the new primer. Takes a few seconds. It's all clean. Once that's clean, I'll just deburr the tip slightly. Clean off any rough edges. Give it a quick clean inside. That's done. Next process, I normally prime it with a priming station. But while I'm priming it, what I normally do is I'll set what we're going to be reloading today is our Varmint grenades, which is a 36 grain tip. Normally my calculations work out that on the 36 grain I'm going to be reloading 28 grains of powder. I'm using 2208 ADI powder, smokeless powder, and I'm going to try and get my shot to its max load, which I'm going to be pushing out close to 3000, roughly 600 feet per second. So there's our Varmint grenades, which is like a hollow tip. Anyway, type in how many grams you want. I'll push dispense. While we're dispensing that, that's working. I've got my depriming tool. My case is now primed, and that's ready to go. While that's priming, I should hear a beep, which now means we have our powder ready. Now I use a funnel and I just pour my powder in to my case. Give it a little tap, doesn't always go in. And there's my round full of powder, almost to the top. So like I said, I'm reloading at max. A max load on this one. I'll then get my projectile, bring it back to the die. I'll seat my projectile on. I'll then unscrew my depriming die. I'll then screw in my seating die, which has already been preset. Should be as easy as pulling that down. Once I feel my tension, I'll bullet. My cartridge is now loaded with a 36 grain Varmint grenade tip. Simple as that. So saving a few dollars by buying a few different tools, from your powder measurers to your trimming station, another trimming station down the back, to your press and your turbo tumbler and all sets of dies. You can create a shell for less than a quarter of the price. We'll be back next time reloading a much larger round, which is our little friend, the 338 Lapua. If you want to compare it to a 50 cal, which is a little bit bigger, but we haven't got the facilities to reload those bullets yet. So, thanks, and we'll see you next time.